Alright, here we have 3 York heat pumps and a really old, I believe, refrigeration unit. One of them's running. I'm not even sure what this thing is. Got a low ambient kit and has been running. There's frost right there. That's the data right there. What even is this thing? Whatever that is, I guess. Universal something company. Interesting. Here we have these Yorks. (2010) 5-ton. This one running in heat mode. Doesn't sound too great. This one's a 2010 5-ton. This one's a 2010 5-ton. All the same thing. I found this pretty interesting. Condenser's kind of corroded right there. But, yep, there you go.